Hi there, it's me, Mila Rose, and today we are going to do the budget for our second account. So as you can see, we've got some money laid out because we pulled some money out for different things, and it's going to be for the month of July. And so I'm very excited to get started. There are no big changes going on with this budget. It's pretty standard. If you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in just 1 second. Okay, here we go. So, make sure everything right. Okay. 1178 is what we're working with, and we have business. Now, this is money that I put into my envelopes. I may adjust this. I am unsure. We will see going forward, but for now, it's going to stay 55 for this month. Student loans gets 55 as well. Student loans are supposed to go back in August, I think. Ooh, so that's next month. It's either August or September. I need to check. So I may need to take a look at a bunch of things in a short amount of time. Banfield, which if I have to start paying back my student loans, I have no idea where that money is going to come from. I'm just going to be really, really honest with y'all. I think I have some things I can adjust. I'll probably have to make a budget depending on what my loan payments would look like and go from there. So we'll just have to see what ends up happening. If we are blessed because the economy's been so bad, maybe they'll just push off having to pay them back again, and then I can continue forth until another 6 months when they have to be reviewed, but we'll see. So Banfield is 54. Sinking funds are 282. So sinking funds would definitely take a hit. I know that. Lawn is now $60. Date night would take a hit. I think if I were able to pull from how much I'm paying on my Chase credit card, how much I'm paying on my Visa credit card, how much I'm putting towards sinking funds, and then date night, I could find, quote unquote, find the money to pay for my student loans, but it would be rough. So here's that Visa. I'm paying $272 because I'm pretty sure I'm paying $100 extra than what I need to be paying. So if I grabbed $100 from Visa, if I get rid of all of my extra stuff, Amazon Music, which I'm putting $10 towards that. Take $100 from date night. So now we're at $200, and then find an extra $100 somewhere. I think I could make it work, but it would be rough, y'all. Security savings is getting 60. House is getting 10. Car emergency is getting 10. New car is getting 5. Student loans gets an extra 20. So I would take that out. They wouldn't get an extra 20 anymore. It'd be rough, y'all. Car wash is getting 15. Car maintenance is getting 70. Annual is getting 50. Cushion is getting 10. And trash, I put aside 30 for each one until my trash bill is 2. I need to actually start pulling that $30 out. I will probably do that in the next month just to make sure that my actual account balances are correct. I do have some cushion goals for these that I actually think I met in my checking. I have not met for my car maintenance or my annual, and I might update those depending on how long this video actually turns out to be. So let's go in and let's add these up, and then we can see where we are. Okay, so we have 55 plus 55 plus 54 plus 282 plus 60 plus 272 plus 10 plus 100 plus 60 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 20 plus, ooh, okay. There we go. Plus 70 plus 50 plus 10 plus 30. All right, well, we're off a little bit. It should be 1178. So let me go and check, make sure everything came out right. 55, 55, 54, 282, 60, 272, $10, $100, 60, 10, 10, 5, 20. Oh, okay, we're missing 15. There we go. Okay, so 60, 10, 10, 5. Yeah, I don't like that because that makes me confused then. There we go. Okay. 10, 10, 5, 20, 15, 70, 50, 10, and 30. Okay, we're still $10 short. Or, yeah, we're $10 short. Let me make sure I have this one right. So 55, 55, 54, 282, yes, 60, 272, 10, 100, 60, 10, 10, 5, 20, 15, 70, 50, 10, and 10, and 30. Okay, let's do, what should I put more money towards? I'd like to put more money towards something that will actually, like, I don't know how to say this, but like make a difference. So I think I want to put this towards a savings. Oh yeah, I'm all distracted. And this should not be that hard. Oh, you know why? Because lawn is not 70 anymore, it's 60 because I changed lawn services. So let's just make it, put more into my little debt folder that I have and do debt, $10. Boom. The issue with this though is that I would need to go to get $10 out of the bank and I haven't done that yet. So we will just make a note of that and leave it as is. So let's see what's next. All right, here's the cash I have pulled out. So I did pull out sinking funds, which is 282. I pulled out car emergency, new car, student loans. That should be everything. So that's 282. 282 plus 10 plus 5. Oh, and 20 for student loans, which should be $317. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. Oop. And okay. 20, 40, 60, 83, and 10, 15, 16, 70. 317. It is 9 minutes. Let's go ahead and do that cash stuffing because I've got to update everything in my next video. I will see you all then. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope that you are doing well, that your budgets are going great, and I will see you all for that cash stuffing. Have a great one. Bye-bye.